Step 1. Turn off water supply. Step 2. Flush toilet to drain water. Step 3. Dry the remaining water, using a towel or a sponge. Step 4. Place a towel below the tank and disconnect the supply hose.
Step 5. Unscrew the nuts holding the old bolts in place. Step 6. Remove the old bolts. Step 7. Lift the tank off the bowl. Step 8. Insert the new bolts in place. Step 9. Place the metal washer, followed by the hex nut. Step 10. Tighten the hex nut to create a proper and secure seal. Step 11. Gently place the tank on the toilet bowl with bolts protruding out underneath. Step 12. Place rubber washer followed by metal washer. Step 13. Place the wing nut and tighten enough so the tank sits flat on the toilet bowl. Step 14. Connect the supply hose. Step 15. After installation is completed, turn on the water supply and check for leaks.